Well, which Historic Excellencies, on behalf of His Excellency, High Commissioner of the Republic of the Gambia, I thank you for inviting us, especially to the Honorable Speaker. Last year we did the same thing. We discovered Assam with its rich culture and its diverse people, very welcoming. We are going to continue learning from you and your rich culture and your beautiful institutions. And as my colleague Excellency Lesotho said, your culture is your power. Thank you so much.
Good evening and namaste. I feel greatly honored to have been invited to this conference, and I want to thank Dr. Asma and the Speaker for having invited us to spend the weekend in Assam away from the pollution in Delhi. Last night I was looking at the sky, staring at the moon and the stars, which you don't see in Delhi. So I want to be honest with you, I felt like I was in Africa last night, and you can see the sky is so clear, and we so enjoyed this, and we want to thank those who invited us here to spend a weekend away from the pollution. And then coming to you, I want to heartily congratulate you for your conference. And remember, culture is the lifeblood. Culture is the heart and the soul of a vibrant society. So keep on, uphold your culture, because a nation that knows where it comes from will know where to go. Thank you very much, and all the best in your conference.
Thank you. So thank you very much for inviting me to this program. I would like also to thank all the organizers and this cultural performance. So, you know, literature is up to date in the world today, even in Cameroon. So thank you very much for inviting me, and good success.
Deputy of Embassy of the Republic of Congo. I have not too much to say except to thank you. My presence here, despite the friendships between my country, the Republic of Congo, and India. Thank you.
Boys and girls who are so keen to learn, so looking forward to their education. So I'm happy to be a part of it, and I'm looking forward to my next visit back to Assam. Thank you. Assam has been great and fantastic. This is my first time here in Assam, despite being 6 years in India already. I came from Chile, which is a very far away country in South America. It's 35 hours flight time from here to my country. But in a way, I am connected with you because this is a literature festival, and Chile is a country of poets and writers. Maybe some of you will know Pablo Neruda, which is our famous Nobel Prize. We have 2 Nobel Prizes. And when I came here and I asked for the colors of that were here in the tent, and I was told that one stands for peace, one stands for fraternity, and one stands for tradition. These are very universal values. So I feel immediately connected with the festival and the people here in Bodo County. So thank you very much, and I hope to come again, and congratulations for the preservation of the traditions, which is very important in our days. Thank you very much.
Excellency from the Bangladesh High Commission. You will speak in Bangla. I think every people they understand Bangla, right? So
আমি শুরুতেই এখানকার স্পিকার এবং আয়োজকদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদেরকে এখানে আমন্ত্রণ জানানোর জন্য। আপনারা জানেন যে এখানে একটা বাংলাদেশের কালচারাল গ্রুপ খাগড়াছড়ি থেকে এসেছে, তারা পারফর্ম করেছে। তো এটা দিয়ে বোঝা যায় দুই দেশের যে নৈকট্য, সাংস্কৃতিক নৈকট্য কতটা গতি। তো যাই হোক, আমি বড় লিটারেচার যে ফেস্টিভ্যাল হচ্ছে এটার সাফল্য কামনা করছি এবং সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি।
Thank you, Excellency.